What's going on, everybody? This is Marques, and I'm here to talk to you about the Pro Drums VST by Gospel Producers.
GospelMultitracks.com.
Now, the thing I love about this drum VST, one, of course, is how incredible the samples are. But the main thing that I love for me being an E-kit drummer is the ease and the plug and play ability of this application. Now, I'm not going to throw shade on any other drum software, but with some of the other softwares I use, I noticed that it was really hard to marry my Alesis Nitro drum kit and the software. There was a lot of MIDI syncing that I had to do, a lot of MIDI learning that needed to happen in order for it to function. But with the Pro Drums VST, it is so simple. It was plug and play. All of my drum pads were assigned correctly to the kit, virtually with me doing nothing but plugging it in and loading it up. The hi-hat open and close was synced perfectly with my foot pedal. And you know what I really love about playing with the E-kit is that you really get a great sense of the different velocities, you know, and it really makes me feel like I'm playing a live kit. And you know, that translates to the client. You know, a lot of times clients want live drums, and when you're doing virtual drums, you know, you can kind of tell something's not right there. But when I use Pro Drums and I use my E-kit, it really gives a true, authentic sound, and it really sounds like I'm playing an acoustic set. So just wanted to jump on here to really give kudos to Pro Drums for this awesome plugin. It's definitely going to be a huge part of my production going forward. So just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know that it works seamlessly with most E-kits, especially the Alesis line of E-kits. So get Pro Drums today. Do yourself a favor. You'll be glad you did. Peace.